If you need to reset your password for your Badlands Federal Credit Union account, follow these straightforward steps to regain access quickly and securely. Step 1. Visit the website. Go to the Badlands Federal Credit Union official website. Look for the login section on the homepage where you can access your account. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Once you are on the login page, locate the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your information. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your information, check your email for a password reset link. Follow the instructions in the email to create a new password. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder if you do not see the email in your inbox. Step 5. Create a new password. Once you click the link in the email, you will be directed to a page where you can set a new password. Choose a strong password that meets the security requirements, then confirm it and submit. After completing these steps, you should be able to log into your Badlands Federal Credit Union account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to their customer support for further assistance.